हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल LIS वर्ड में। सब्सक्राइब करें LIS वर्ड को और दबाएं बेल आइकन ताकि नोटिफिकेशन आपको टाइम पर मिलते रहें। मैं दीपिका आज आपके साथ लाइब्रेरी साइंस के महत्वपूर्ण टॉपिक लाइब्रेरी मैनेजमेंट के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स को डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ, तो बने रहिए LIS वर्ड के साथ। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, ऑपरेशन रिसर्च इज अ टूल ऑफ library management. PERT method is useful for system analysis. Association of Management is acronym for SLIB. Human Resource Management related to manpower planning. The word postcard propounded by Gulick and Ervik. The concept the best reading for the largest number at the least cost propounded by Malvi Devi. Who is the father of TQM? W. Edwards Deming. What is the physical and chemical treatment done to prevent the material from getting worse? Conservation. Three-card system is related to maintenance of periodicals. The concept of TQM is centered around which idea? Quality circle. What is quality circle? A quality circle or quality control circle is a group of workers who do the same or similar work, who meet regularly to identify, analyze, and solve work-related problems. Who described quality circle? Quality circles were described by W. Edwards Deming in the 1950. Management grid model prepared by Robert R. Blank and John Mountain. What is meaning of charge in circulation section? Issuing the books. Who developed PERT? US Navy 1957. What is full form of CPM? Critical path method. CPM techniques is developed by Kelly and Walker in 1950. How many types of library committee has E.V. Corbett described? 6 types: self-preparating committee, ad hoc committee, nominated committee, recommending committee, reporting committee, and executive committee. Self-determination theory is given by Edwards L. Dacey and Richard Rehan. In post-carb co in acronym of coordination. SWORD is an acronym of strength, opportunities, weakness, and threats. Who proposed the component of MBE? Henry Fayol in 1911. What is the component of SDI? Document profile. Who advocated the 7 basic statistical tools for quality control? Kaura Shivaka. Which RFID component is attached to the book item for identification? Tag. The term Gangplank is associated with administrative principle. Scalar chain. Who said the information is both a product and process? J. Martin. In which year PPBS developed? 1961. Which institute was developed PPBS budget formulation method? US DoD. What are elements of RFID? RFID tag Smart Gate Handle Reader. What is card size in NEVAC charting system? 5/3. Which law of library science governs the book selection in the libraries? First 3 laws. Books are for use. Every reader's his/her books. Every book's its reader. In which system of Ranganathan introduced the preparation of check card? Cardiac system. Who is considered as the father of the human relation movement? Elton Mayo. Photo charging system was introduced by Ralph R. Shaw. Ranganathan's reader ticket method introduced in which library? Madras University Library. The term bespeaking work was used by Dr. R. S. Ranganathan. What is the component of SDI? Document profile. NEWAC charging system was introduced in the Public Library of NEWAC. Who has involved bureaucracy model of organization? Howard Lasky. The committee that advised the government in matters relating to libraries is State Center Committee. Who has studied and psychology of workers? Hugo Mansterberg. What is SWOT analysis? SWOT analysis is a strategic planning technique used to help a person or organization identify strengths, weakness, opportunities, and threats related to business competition. What are the two parts of annual report of the library? Descriptive and statistical. Who started NEWAC charging system? John Cotton Dana. Process in securing the required person of a formal method is called requirement. The register which contain maximum detail of books in called accession register. Blanket orders means to supply all the publications to the library as when those are published. What is the continuous process of ensure maximum customer satisfaction? Total quality management. Likert is related to style of leadership. Thank you.